Hello again everybody, this is Blue Thunderboom here. In this episode we're going to take a look at it. It's a dead light bulb right here. It's an Envision's 14 watt CFL light bulb. This light bulb, the last time I captured on video about the friendly visitor who visited to my shop, is the cicadas, the green cicadas, who actually visit to my shop at night where they're looking for a light to attract with. I mean, it was a pretty cool looking insect to it. If you don't know what it is, right here, link a description down below, the ones I posted a video on YouTube already. Alright, this light bulb right here, we're going to show you how this light bulb went dead on me last time. Ever since this light bulb right here managed to give this life, ever since it did serve well in my shop. And yeah, you can actually see the caution information right here, along with this foreign language down here below. Can you guess that the quality is from China? Do feel free to pause the video if you want to see. The camera doesn't like to focus on this like it should. Well, that's enough with that. Okay. And you can see the part of the cathode right here, this end right here, was burned right through here. All there is to blame is that there was a board that appears to be that was fried. But who knows? We'll actually open up this base right here and show you what's inside here. And I know this base right here is separating from here. I've been using it, this bulb right here, is for the trouble lights, or drop lights, what they call it. I mean literally a drop light, or a trouble light. But until later on, I've been using this up at the bulb right into my shop. It's an extra light to shine it down into my workbench, so I can see when I was focusing on it to service any other electronics, appliances, or hardware component right in the shop when I can. But anyway, let's go ahead and open up right here and see what it looked like. And yeah, the base right here is starting to separate this one right here. But I'll be careful not to buzz this a bulb right here and expecting to release mercury here and get me a cancer. And I definitely don't want that. It's already been wired up to the base right here. Of course, this black is hot and the white is neutral. But some countries, they usually say the black is live, while the white one would mean neutral. But in North America, we say hot on black wire and neutral on white wire. Luckily, this filter capacitor didn't blow up on its own right here. But, you know, for the good looking on this video, we're going to, for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and crack it open and see why did the bulb fail. And I know I'm trying to do the best I can for it to show you what it looks like right down here. I may have to go grab my hammer down here, the ones I normally produce with that small hammer. Like one of these of some kind. If you don't know what it is, the ones I can show you about this. Now, let me go ahead and open up the case, and I'll be careful not to bust this bulb open and expecting to release mercury. Oh, it did. And it's okay, it's just part of it for taking a look at it and see what's wrong with it. Anyway, I got to figure out where to find the wire cutter, but I got the wire cutter right here. All I'm doing, just be careful when pry this open. And I know I was inspired by the YouTube user 12VoltVits, who usually demonstrates a video of how the bulb did fail on him. The only thing is flawed designs I've seen of one of them, and that he uses it as a plant light where he wants his strawberry to grow right down in the house during the winter, so he has some delicious strawberries at home. And I wouldn't blame him. I want some plants to grow right down in the winter too, in case if we had to prepare to pack our plants in the house and right down in the basement, so we have something to store these plants down in the basement when we can. And anyway, I'm trying to pop this open when I can to show you what it looks like about this burnout bulb. And yeah, I actually would bust that bulb open. Hopefully I won't get cancer like this. Otherwise, that's not a good sign. And yeah, I'm trying to separate this plastic base from the bulb as much to it as I can so I can show you what it looks like inside here. And at least it's coming out right here. That bulb was been served to us since 2012. Or actually, yeah, it was been served to us in 2012. Since they're looking for it to have some energy efficient like this one. But the only thing I didn't care about is this soft white CFL light bulbs. It's just really nasty. Gives out some kind of like brownish yellow, some kind, right in the house. The only complaint about it is that I don't like the look of that lights at all. You know, I didn't break another glass tip right there. All I'm trying to do is separate the bulb as much as I can so I can actually show you what it looks like. And I broke this tip off right there. They call it evacuation nipple in the electronics term. Anyway, let me go ahead and separate this. And yeah, I broke another one too. Actually, that bulb itself, it did burn out on its own. Not the ballast right there. I guess that appears to be that the ballast itself looks pretty good, but don't bank on it because there's some things that remain mystery for this bulb. But anyway, yeah, you can see there's a burn bulb right through here. And I'm going to get the flashlight to show you what it's like inside here. And I'm trying to shine it down here as much to it as I can so I can present to you what it looks like inside here. And you can see there's a double coil in this thing. That's filament. The one's designed to give out a cathode to the these bulb inside here with all of a silica coating or some kind. Though the bulb itself, it did gave up on me already. So now, this bulb here is pretty much toast already. Where it lost all of its cathodes. I mean, it did fail on me last night. Now we'll take a look on this ballast itself right here. And now I will separate this base right here. All I do is just simply strip it out from here. It ain't that big deal. And it will be undone. Not really undone, but it will be separate from the bulb. And then I got it out. So far, this base right here appears to be it had a good shape inside of this base right here. Yeah, I didn't mean to break the bulb, but oh well, it's just old. I'm sure this this light bulb here appears to be that did fail. So none of these boards appears to be that was blown up on its own. So that's really interesting. So it did fail on me already. Look like at this bulb or not bulb. Look like at this oh, there's one over here. I've noticed it right this one over there. Probably there was a damage right here by accident when I opened it. But anyway, none of them seem to be burnt on this board, other than it's just the bulb itself that they gave up on me. Nothing much to it, other than this bulb right here, they gave up on me. But you already get the idea how the bulb did fail about this Envision's 14 watt CFL light bulb, of how it did fail for this bulb already. So I'm going to conclude this video of demonstration of how this bulb did fail for this Envision's 14 watt CFL light bulb. So I'm going to conclude I'm going to conclude this video at this time, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this video, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll respond back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and ring the bell for more videos to come. And always hit the all bell button if you want to see more videos to come. Always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode real soon. Bye for now. Before we leave from this video, I'm going to show you this how I already replaced with this another used light bulb right into the shop. This here is the EcoSmart 14 watt CFL light bulb. That's a spare bulb, and I'm going to use it at this time right in the shop. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode real soon. Bye for now.